Hello viewers, welcome to Diesel. Today I am reviewing Tata Punch. This car looks very nice and this overall dimensions of the car looks like an SUV, and you can see the overall side stands, and this is very big than Tata Tiago. The overall side stance is very good and the front is very nice and the rear is also very nice, and this looks as a overall tall vehicle. This can be classified as a SUV, entry level SUV from Tata Motors. You can see the overall design of the car. This is looking very catchy and very pleasing to everyone and very value for money. This has split headlamps which comes in with halogen as well as a projector headlamp. Fog lamp is given at the lower side. Let's see how it looks inside. The inside of the car is very easy to enter, and the roof is very high so that the overall comfortable inside. It comes with dual tone interiors, and the headroom is very nice and very much adequate for a very tall person. It is very neatly laid out dashboard. This comes with manual as well as AMT transmission. The interior blue design is very catchy. The white is creamy white is also very nice. Ingress and egress is very easy for tall people also, even old people. Keyless entry is available in this car. Let's see how the driver position is. It has start stop button and window control and power window control. All is very nice. The driving position is very good in this car. This looks exactly as a SUV. It comes with 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system, automatic AC, Bluetooth connectivity, everything is there. The overall seating position is very nice. Let's start and drive the car. When we switch on the engine, the tachometer enters. Let's drive how it feels. Initially the engine is very nice and it doesn't feel any vibrations, and the overall the car is very easy to drive. The steering position is very nice and it's very quiet inside, but it gives a feeling of a SUV. It comes with a 1.2 liter petrol engine. It does not have any turbocharger. The suspension is tuned very nice, and the car feels very peppy. The engine is very nice in the initial drive, which gives impression it is very nice, and I'm very much impressed with this Tata Punch. The acceleration is very nice and the clutch is very smooth, and steering, especially the steering, is very easy to maneuver, and it is very comfortable for city driving. Even in a tough traffic, it doesn't feel any vibration from the engine. The overall the car is very handy. The overall you can feel the better insulated cabin. The clutch is very nice, and gear shifting is also very comfortable, and it is very easy to drive, and I'm very much impressed with the driving, and the design is also very good, and the visibility is also very nice. So it will be a very good entry level car for new buyers, as Tata has nicely packed this car. I especially feel the steering is very much sync with the speed, and it is very accurate. And the engine delivers power very smoothly. The pickup is also very nice. It initially it rises very smoothly. I feel very comfortable in Tata Punch, and you can see the overall power delivery from the car is also very nice. You can see it is very nice car and very small, and it is very much well packed from Tata. When the road is even very rugged road, but the vibration is not felt inside. The overall the vibration is controlled by the suspension, and it is a very good entry level SUV for any person. The visibility is very nice because the bonnet is also visible, and you can easily maneuver the car, and you can judge the car. And it comes with 5-star safety rating. It has seat belt warning system, and the Tata has given very much importance to safety. It has ABS, EBD, all controls are available. Even at high speeds, the car is feeling very stable. The EBD will help in maintaining stability of the car. The design is also nice, and the pricing is also very competitive. When we are climbing a bridge, it is very much easy to climb. It is pulling very nice. Whether Tata Punch is best buy, and you can see it comes with a base model of 6.558 lakhs only. It comes with all basic accessories, and you also give a good feeling of a SUV feeling. And it is the only car which has 5-star rating in this segment. Now I am taking from the driving position. You can see the instrument cluster. It shows the gear in which you are traveling, and all the how much miles it will go, and the fuel indicators in the center. But the speedometer alone, I feel like it is very looking very old, and they could have made a new advanced design, or they can given the same meter as a that RPM meter. They could have embedded in that in the speedometer also. I expect they accept the speedometer, everything is looking very nice, and the car is also the stability of the car is also very nice. So I personally feel that you can boldly buy Tata Punch, and this is a great product from Tata. I hope this review gives a good feeling from my side. Please subscribe Diesel YouTube channel. Please like, share, comment. And the overall driving experience of Tata Punch is very satisfactory. You can see the gear shift is indicated in the left speedometer, and they are indicating to increase the gear so that their fuel efficiency will be nice. The up arrow shows that you have to put in 5th gear. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to Diesel YouTube channel. This car comes with automatic voice recognition and Bluetooth connectivity, and the music system comes with 8 speakers, 4 speaker and 4 tweeters from Harman. The audio quality is top class. Please subscribe. Thank you.